In this video, I'm going to show you my Navy and Coast Guard rates. Rates are Navy and Coast Guard enlisted ranks. In this section, these are all made with silver bullion wire. These are custom made. Starting in the top left, we have a Senior Chief Petty Officer Fire Controlman. Then we have a Chief Petty Officer Corpsman, Chief Petty Officer Aviation Fire Controlman, Chief Petty Officer Ship Serviceman, a Chief Petty Officer Bosun's Mate, Chief Petty Officer Machinist Mate, Chief Petty Officer Yeoman, and Journalist Third Class. Lastly, we have a Coast Guard. These are all Navy. We have a Coast Guard Master Chief Petty Officer Storekeeper. Most of these are World War II. Not sure about that one, and this one's modern. Alright, now let's go into the regular, non-bullion made ones. Here we have a Pharmacist Mate, second class, dated 1942. Then we have a Bosun's Mate, third class. This one's not dated, but it's still World War II. A Signalman, first class. And a Storekeeper, second class. This one's dated 1943. And this one was dated 1944. This is a emergency rate mailman or mail clerk, Chief Petty Officer. This is a gray rating patch used with the short-lived navy gray uniform. Not sure about this one, but I think it's Australian theater made. Not quite sure. Then we have a probably Vietnam era fire controlman, third class, and a quartermaster apprentice. Now, I have a bunch of modern Coast Guard and one Navy or two Navy rates. I remember most of them, but we'll just go with what we got here. So we have a Gunner's Mate, third class, Bosun's Mate, third class, and a Storekeeper, third class. This is an apprentice Navy fireman. Dispersing clerk, third class. Aviation radioman or something like that. Can't remember. Third class. That was Navy. The rest were Coast Guard. Then we have a Navy airman badge. Third class. You'll notice that this is the old style Eagle and was much favored by Navy personnel. And this is the newer style that no one likes. It has a bunch of nicknames like the Fat Parrot and the Surrendering Chicken, stuff like that. Then we have a, that is a engineer or something machinery, Coast Guard, third class. Then we have a, talk here out of the way. This is a Coast Guard. Not sure. It's not a corpsman. It's some different title for a corpsman. Same thing. Whatever. Okay. Then we have a sonar technician, third class, I think. Quartermaster, third class. And finally a, I don't know, possibly radar man, something like that. Electronic warfare, something like that. Alright. Those are all my Navy and Coast Guard rates. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.